So first thing that need to be noted, this elector data need to be updated at ARO level. Each assembly's ARO will be updating the data from their login. So here you can see once any ARO will log in, you will go to this section. Here in menu option, you can see there would be a button of poll turnout. In this menu, we will have four options basically of this turnout related, where you can see first option is there to import polling station, where you just click over here. You can see some elector count is already there, and to import the data, you will be having a button here to import the elector count plus PS data. How you need to update that? Let me show you what are the instruction for that. So instructions are already there in this system. We have already updated it. So what you have to do, that's a very simple process. Once you will log in, you will go to that import option. There you will get a sample CSV file in which you have to import your, prepare your data in Excel format. So first you have to go to that portal, Encore system, download the CSV file. Now what you have to enter, first you have to enter the part number, then PS number, then part name, then PS name in English. After this, you will be having one category, that is PS type. There you have to mention what is the type of polling station, main, then you have to enter the M. For that auxiliary polling station, you have to mention A. Now, then after you have PS category. For every government building, you have to fill code as G. And for rest of the other building, either it is semi-government or non-government building, either private school or any other premise, then what you have to mention here, you have to mention as N. Now then, you have to enter location type. That what is the location type of that particular polling station? That is either it is rural or urban. You have to use R for the rural and U for urban. Then after you have to fill male elector count, female elector count, and third gender elector count. And then after you have to click on total electors count. Once this complete data is filled, that means this around 9 informations which we required for a particular PS detail. Now, one thing which is confusing, that what you have to enter in case of auxiliary polling station. See, in case of, for example, we have a, an auxiliary polling station which is starting, whose part number is 12. That means its entry need to be done in a way. Just let me prepare an Excel sheet. Just hold on a second. Small letters.
Thank you.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So now you can see I have just logged in from an ARO whose data is not finalized. So what I have to do, I have just downloaded a Excel CSV, which is a sample file here. So once it is downloaded, then I have to go here. Then you can see here is a part number like 1. So how I need to prepare like part number 1, PS number 1, then test 1, PS name, then PS type, it is main or auxiliary. Then for the PS category, you can verify from here whether it is government premise or non-government premise. So you just enter G, then location type. It become 201. Okay. So in this way, one data entry is completed. Now what you have to do, just for example, let me enter this data also. So in this way, the main polling station data need to be entered from your end. You will get this data from ARONet. Now, in case if there is any auxiliary polling station, then what you have to do, you will keep part number as same. Then PS number would be T. Just you will mention A again along with the PS part number. Like your PS number will become 2A. Then the rest of the data will be same. Whatsoever is your elector count, you have to fill that. So I'm just copying the same data. So now you can see my data is saved. So in this way, I have populated data, created data for 3 polling station. Now what I have to do, I'll just go back to this, click on import polling station, choose the CSV file and click on update. The moment I will click, you can see the 3 polling station with the data will get updated here. But still you will be getting a warning here that total elector in the AC is not equal to the sum of the total elector in the polling station. How you need to remove this error which is coming on the dashboard. So for this, what you have to do, you just verify your total elector of male, like it is 300 male, 220 female and 21. So I'll go to this menu option. Now in menu option, there is poll turnout. Now fill this electors details. Here you need to fill elector detail AC wise. We'll just mention 300.
Sir, we are unable to see your next screen. I can see only the Excel file.
Okay, let me reshare my screen. Now is it visible?
Not yet, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, we can with the Spanish principles, Spanish people.
Okay. Okay. The moment I have entered this data in the assembly wise elector detail, means total male, total female, and total third gender. Then after, what is total coming along with this service electors. The moment I will click over update here, now I'll go back to this screen, and once I'll refresh, you can see the warning which was coming earlier, now it has been removed, and there would be a button coming to finalize your elector data. So in this way, you have to remove this error which is coming, the warning which is coming on the top of this dashboard. In this is the simple way you need how you need to import the polling station, and how you have to make data entry for this assembly wise elector details. There you have to mention your general elector male, general elector female, third gender, and total of this. Along with that, you have to also mention the service voters data, so that total uh, number of general elector plus service elector could be visible here. That is 641 coming. The moment your this data of male, female, third, other gender, and the total of these all three data become equal to the PS wise data, then only this warning which was coming earlier will be removed. Okay. Then the single responsibility which is left now for ARO, they have to verify the PS name and everything. Then after, they have to click on this finalize button. The moment they will finalize, all data will get freeze. This data will get freezed. This is the responsibility which need to be completed at ARO level. Same monitoring can be done at CO level, that how many data is, how many assemblies data is finalized. Now we are now anything you want to ask, although we will proceed to voter turnout, that how you need to fill the voter turnout on the day of poll.